Hello Dnation and welcome back to the Deadpool Mania series. In today's unique episode, we are going to be unboxing the top 5 Deadpool collectible memorabilia that I found online that will brighten up and breathe life and character into your home, office or even your own room setup. I was curious to see what I could find online and see what would best fit in this category, and here's what I found. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. Most of the Deadpool collectibles that I've got today have come in regular box packaging with all the product branding and information, and some of them just got delivered in clear plastic wrap. And as I mentioned earlier, I got all this Deadpool memorabilia online just to see what could fit into this category that I could try out and recommend to the Deadpool and Marvel fans out there. And moreover to see what I could add to my desk and room setup to spice it up a bit with the Deadpool theme. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging and set these beauties free. While as we crack these packages open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these open. Well, at first glance, these Deadpool collectibles look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing, and looks like these collectibles are of a widespread range, but are manufactured mostly of high-grade ABS plastic, and a few with metal and a few with vinyl, and overall the finish makes these premium looking. These DP collectibles have a beautiful build quality and finish, and vary in size and weight depending on the particular model. Kindly check out the links in the description below for further individual specs and features. These models not only look fun, creative and attractive, but also will brighten up your office, your room or desk, and will add character to your setup. Besides just looks, most of these chosen collectibles for today's episode are quite unique and functional, which is a plus. These are the 5 different Deadpool collectibles that I bought online for this episode. So with that out of the way, let's quickly run through the model names and the use of these premium Deadpool collectibles. And kindly note that these are not ranked in any particular order. So with that being said, let's get this party started. Well, let's kickstart this party with the Marvel Deadpool stainless steel insulated steel sipper bottle, which is red and black. Tired of sipping water or juice from the regular day-to-day bottle? Need something more interesting and trendy? This unique Deadpool sipper bottle enables you to sip your beverage with complete ease and helps you to do it in style. This bottle features great durability and looks with a perfect grip. And besides its attractive looks, this bottle is made up of pure stainless steel and BPA approved, so it's safe and ready to go. This Deadpool theme bottle has a capacity of 500 ml and comes with a vacuum tight screw cap which will prevent spills. This bottle measures in at 10 inches in height and is all set to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at this wonderful, amazing Deadpool themed water flask. Well, I know that there are a lot of amazing Deadpool style mugs out there, but the drawback is they come with a substantial price tag. So as you can see, I got myself a beautiful personalized mug with Dnation's logo and Deadpool with his ladies, because I love them both. And the highlight of this product is it's customizable and so budget friendly that you can order 3 personalized mugs for the price of 1 licensed mug, and that's just to make a comparison. Well, this mug is made up of good quality porcelain, which is like your regular coffee mugs, and measures in at 3.8 inches in height, 3.2 inches in diameter, weighs in at 330 grams and has a capacity of 300 ml. And all you gotta do is place your order and send them your custom design, and the next thing you know is that you've got yourself your personalized mug. And what's more impressive is that they throw in a complimentary personalized keychain as well. Now if that's not cool, then I don't know what is. I would personally say that this is a good buy, as you get your money's worth, and this will make an awesome personalized collectible for gifting or even a unique addition to your collection. And now moving on, here we have the Deadpool Bobblehead action figure for car dashboards or tabletops. I would say that there is something so amazing about this Bobblehead that makes me smile. I mean, I really love Deadpool, but looking at this design, I feel that Deadpool keeps bobbing his oversized caricatured head with one finger pointing at you and the other with a thumbs up, telling you that everything will be okay. Now that's inspiring coming from a little action figure. This will sure brighten up and add a dash of color and character to your dashboard or even your desktop. This figure is made of vinyl and measures in at 3.5 inches in height and weighs in at about 200 grams. And this one's an awesome buy, and I'm glad I got this little Deadpool bobblehead motivator for my desk. Yet another amazing add-on for a Deadpool fan. So let's go ahead and take a look at this little Merc with the mouth. And now we have the Deadpool bobblehead with a stand and mobile holder for a car dashboard, desk or a tabletop. Now this one is similar to the previous DP figure, not just because this Merc with the mouth is seated unlike the previous one that was standing, but this amazing Deadpool bobblehead can only not be used as a display bobblehead figure but also can serve as a mobile holder. So that's an additional add-on as it's functional too. This bobblehead is made up of vinyl and the stand is made up of good quality ABS plastic, which makes it quite sturdy. And this premium bobblehead measures in at 3.5 inches in height and weighs in at about 141 grams. Overall, this is yet another product where you can get a bang for the buck and is worth adding to your collection. So let's go ahead and take a look at this premium bobblehead. And finally, I saved the fun bit for the last. So here, as you can see, I've got 6 one-of-a-kind unique and themed Deadpool mini Funko Pops that look really amazing and funky just like Deadpool himself. And what made me get these is that these hardly cost much and come in pairs. So as you can see, I got myself 3 pairs and I chose the character design of the Deadpool that I liked the most. These mini pops are made of PVC and measure in at 3 inches each and can be used as display figures or even as cake toppers. Well, everything looks good and screams fun and funky with these mini Deadpool pops, and I'm happy to add this fun variety to my Deadpool collection as well. And me, personally, I would give these mini Funko Pops a massive thumbs up, be it for quality, build, and also for price. So let's go ahead and take a look at these mini Funko Pops. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these collectibles. So with that being said, please do let me know in the comments below as to what do you think of this top 5 Deadpool collectible lineup and which one of these are your favorite. And also do let me know if you would like to see an episode 2 on this. Now let's place these amazing Deadpool collectibles on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these collectibles in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these collectibles, be it for looks, functionality, build quality, and even price. And so with that being said, now let's take a look at these few product shots of these beauties. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these premium DP collectibles that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link for all of them in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these are your favorite and which one would you get. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for a lot more fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing top 5 unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.